Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you play Missed Call on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core open chords you'll need, which are fundamental to the song's structure. Then, we'll explore a simple strumming pattern that will give you a solid rhythmic foundation. Our goal is to get you comfortable with the basics so you can begin playing this catchy tune with confidence and ease. Now, let's dive into the strumming. The main pattern for Missed Call is a simple down-down-up-up-down-up motion. Focus on keeping your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand moving consistently. Maintaining a steady tempo is key to making the song sound right, so try practicing with a metronome. This will greatly improve your rhythm and overall musicality. Smooth chord transitions are vital for playing any song fluidly. Begin by practicing your chord changes very slowly, ensuring each finger lands precisely. Concentrate on lifting your fingers just enough to move to the next shape without unnecessary movement. If a particular change is tricky, create a short practice loop, repeating just those two chords until it feels natural and effortless. You've learned the chords, the strumming, and how to transition smoothly. Now it's time to put it all together. Start by playing through the entire song at a comfortable pace. Listen to the original track to really internalize the timing and feel. With practice, you'll be able to play Missed Call from start to finish, enjoying your progress and newfound guitar skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.